When hundreds of machines attack together, traditional defense systems stop working. What are the long-term implications of drone swarms in modern warfare? Drone swarms use large numbers of low-cost network drones. They overwhelm defenses. They change how wars are fought. They change who holds military advantage. And they redefine how future conflicts are controlled. 10 long-term implications of drone swarms. 1. Overwhelming defenses. Swarms attack from multiple directions at the same time. This allows them to bypass even advanced air defense systems. Expensive traditional weapons lose their effectiveness. 2. Lower cost of warfare. Swarm drones are cheap, but their impact is massive. This allows smaller states and even non-state actors to challenge major militaries. 3. Shift in military doctrine. Armies can no longer rely only on tanks, jets, and missiles. Speed matters more. Automation matters more. Electronic warfare becomes central. 4. Increased autonomy risks. Drone swarms increasingly rely on artificial intelligence. Human control is reduced. This raises serious ethical concerns and legal questions about accountability. 5. Rapid escalation. Swarm attacks can be launched quickly. They can be anonymous. Attribution becomes difficult, and escalation becomes harder to control. 6. Defense technology race. Nations invest in lasers, in jammers, in AI-based counter-swarm systems. A new arms race is already underway. 7. Urban warfare impact. Drone swarms are extremely effective in cities. Civilian risk increases. Rules of engagement become harder to enforce. Power shift to innovators. Military dominance shifts, not to the biggest armies, but to those who innovate faster. 9. Proliferation to non-state actors. As technology spreads, access widens. Militant groups may gain swarm capabilities. The line between state and non-state warfare blurs further. 10. Redefining deterrence. Traditional deterrence relies on fear of retaliation. Drone swarms weaken that logic. Nations must rethink how wars are prevented and how future attacks are stopped. Subscribe and stay updated.